Hi there, it's me, Rebecca. As always, me and my monster mate Murphy have got some amazing new arty ideas to share with you. And all you'll need to do is raid the recycling to find the best boxes, tubes and bottles to reuse. Now, has anyone seen a big, hairy, multicoloured monster around here?
Hey, that gives me a monster idea!
I thought it might. It's a shoebox bunny.
Let's get monster making! Hi!
For this monster make, we'll need a shoebox, coloured card, 2 cheese boxes, paint and stickers. Start by painting the shoebox and cheese boxes. Our bunny will be pink, but yours can be any colour you like.
I was hoping you'd say that. Painty, painty, monster painty!
Leave those to one side to dry. Next, we need some pink paper. Let's draw long bunny ears.
Drawy, drawy, monster draw!
Arms. Circles for cheeks. And a nose. On white paper, draw 2 more long bunny ears, slightly thinner than the pink ones. These will be the insides of the ears. Now we need to carefully cut everything out.
This calls for some monster cutting.
Thanks, Murphy. Let's stick everything together.
Bum, 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 bum.
These cheese boxes will be the feet.
I love sticking!
The arms can go on either side of the box like this. Give them a curl so they bend in front of the body. And we can stick the white ears on top of the pink ones. And stick them to the box. Let's stick the cheeks to either side. And the nose here. What else does our bunny's face need?
Let's do the eyes!
Brilliant! For those we can use
Stickers!
exactly! And some stickers to the feet too. We can also draw a mouth shape like this. This bunny looks brilliant. All it needs now is a tasty carrot.
Here you are, Rebecca.
Thanks, Murphy. This one is brilliant and is made from a triangle of orange paper with a torn scrap of green paper for leaves. There we have it. One brilliant shoebox bunny, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific. Why don't you try making your own too?
See you next time.